In today's digital age, social media platforms have become powerful tools for businesses to connect with their target audience. Among these platforms, Instagram stands out as one of the most popular and influential channels. With over 1 billion active users worldwide, it offers immense potential for businesses to reach and engage with their customers. However, simply having an Instagram account is not enough. To truly harness its power and achieve explosive growth in 2023, you need to employ effective marketing tactics that set you apart from the competition. In this article, we will delve into the top 5 Instagram marketing tactics that will help you maximize your presence on this platform. Engage your audience through compelling content. The first step towards success on Instagram is creating content that captivates your audience. Visual appeal is key here. Use high-quality images or videos that are eye-catching and relevant to your brand or product. Incorporate storytelling techniques into your captions to create a strong emotional connection with your followers. To take engagement a step further, encourage user-generated content, UGC. By reposting photos or videos created by your followers and giving them credit, you not only show appreciation but also foster a sense of community around your brand. Leverage influencer partnerships. Influencer marketing has become an integral part of social media strategies due to its ability to reach highly targeted audiences effectively. Collaborating with influencers who align with your brand values can significantly boost awareness and credibility among their followers. When selecting influencers for partnerships, focus on relevance rather than follower count alone. Micro-influencers often have higher engagement rates and more authentic connections with their audience compared to mega-influencers or celebrities. Utilize story features creatively. Instagram stories have taken the platform by storm since their introduction in 2016. These ephemeral posts allow you to share content that disappears after 24 hours, creating a sense of urgency and exclusivity. To make the most of this feature, use interactive elements like polls, quizzes, or question stickers to encourage your audience to engage with your brand. Additionally, take advantage of features such as swipe-up links, available for accounts with over 10K followers, to drive traffic directly to your website or landing pages. Harness the power of hashtags. Hashtags are crucial for increasing discoverability on Instagram. They help categorize your content and connect it with relevant communities. When used strategically, hashtags can expand your reach beyond just your followers. Research popular hashtags within your niche and incorporate them into your captions or comments. However, avoid using generic or overly saturated hashtags that may drown out your content in a sea of posts. Aim for a mix of broad and specific hashtags that accurately represent what you offer. Analyze and optimize your strategy. To ensure continuous growth on Instagram in 2023, it is essential to monitor and analyze the performance of your marketing efforts regularly. Utilize Instagram Insights or third-party analytics tools to gain insights into engagement rates, follower demographics, and post reach. Based on these metrics, optimize your strategy by identifying which types of content resonate best with your audience and when they are most active on the platform. Experiment with different posting times or formats while keeping an eye on key performance indicators, KPIs, such as likes, comments, shares, or conversions. Conclusion. In conclusion, mastering these top 5 Instagram marketing tactics will position you ahead in the race for explosive growth in 2023. By engaging through compelling content creation techniques like storytelling and user-generated content promotion, leveraging influencer partnerships, utilizing story features creatively, harnessing the power of hashtags effectively, analyzing data regularly, businesses can unlock immense potential for success on this platform. Remember that consistency is key when implementing these tactics. Building a strong presence on Instagram takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Stay up to date with the latest trends, adapt your strategy accordingly, and watch as your brand experiences explosive growth in 2023 through Instagram marketing.